Namaste, I Dr. Juhi Singh, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today's our topic is National Welfare and Family Program. So, a national-wide family program planning was launched officially in 1952 by the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India during the first and second five-year plan in the 1951 to 1961. The program was taken up the modesty way with the clinical approaches components and like component to educate services and training and research work. So the program conducted by the National Family Welfare Program, the University Immunization Program, aimed to the reduction in the mortality and morbidity among the infants and reductions in the mortality and morbidity and the younger children's. So, due to the vaccine, preventive disease was started in 1985 and to 1986. The oral rehydration therapy was also started in view of the fact that the diarrhea was the leading cause of death among the children. So, the other various program under the MCH were also implemented during the 7 5-year plan. The child survivals at the safe other motherhoods program in 1992 to 1998 in the 5-year plan to the reproductive and the children health programs was in this in the 5-year plan. So the program objective of the above objective of the family welfare and health program. So the program was convergent and aimed improving the health of the mother and the young children, the improve of the facilities for the prevention and the treatment of major diseases. So the disease, whatever we are saying, that the disease and this so the facilities to improve the facilities for prevention and treated major diseases. So the separate identity of each program was causing the program problems in its ineffective or effective management and somewhat the reducing the outcome. The production or the population of the country should be the stabilize the level of the consistent with the equipment of the national development. So, what are the drugs and equipments and the kit provided by the National and Family Welfare Program at the various levels, like all the sub-centered level, drug kit A, drug kit B, midwifery kit or A&M kit, we can say that. Sub-centered equipments kit C, PHC level, PHC equipment at the C receive so the in kit A whatever in kit A, so in kit A the name of the items like some oral dehydration salts ORS we are saying in 250 packets are provided in the kit A. Tablets of IFA in large packets, tablet of IFA in some small packets, vitamin A are provided, vitamin A solutions are provided, tablet cotrimazole are provided. So are in the kit A. Then what is in kit B? In kit B, some tablet like methyl hygromytrine, uh, tablet paracetamol, tablet mebendazole, diclomine, HCl ointment, iodine, povidone iodine, sorbitrate. Many types of drugs are available. And then midwifery kit is also available for A&M, like sphygmomanometer, scale weighing, hanging tape, color coded, sterilizer equipments like forceps. Main objective of the NFWB, like reduction of the population growth rate, to assess the need of the productive and child health PHC level at the PHC level. So the other to provide the need of based focused on demand of high quality integrated reproductive health, reproductive populations and population reproductive population and the child at of the health at the PHC level, to provide need and based demand on high quality integrated reproductive health, children health care, reduction in infants on maternal morbidity and mortality rate. So the concepts of national health, family welfare program, family planning is associated with the some with the numerous misconceptions. One of them are for the strong association maniacs of people, manic of the people, strong association maniac of the people with the sterilization, other equate it with the birth rate control. The recognition of its welfare concept come only in a decade of half after inceptions, when it was named family welfare program. So the concept of the family welfare is very rare or very comprehensive, and it's basically related to the quality of life. The family welfare program aimed at achieving the higher, and that is improve the quality of the life of the people. So the concentration provided NFWP is like condoms. You can condoms in the concentration, and oral contraceptive pills are in the contraception provided, and some intrauterine devices and some permanent sterilization is also in the are also provided. So the NFWP, National Family Welfare Program, moves from the target-based activity to the client-centered driven quality services program. There is a need to change the various aspects of the operation, increase level of the male participation. So the following services may be provided by the general public from the sub-centered PHCs, and some cases with up the referral CHCs and district hospitals. So the mother care services are also provided, antenatal care registrations from the antenatal care case, preferably before the 10 week of the pregnancy, provided antenatal care to the pregnant mothers by the least by 3 visits, detection and treatment of treatment from the anemic pregnant mothers, timely detections and rapid high risk of mother care. So the natal care are also given. As far as possible, delivery should be taken place in the hospitals, PHCs, sub-centered under the supervision of qualified personnel. As far as possible, the domiciliary deliveries should be assisted by ANMs, by the trained birth attendants. Detections and referral high risk labor cases, identification of existing DIEs and organization DIEs training. So the postnatal care, growth and monitoring of the newborns, detections and referral of high risk of newborn babies, neonatal resuscitations, and whatever and wherever facilities are available, and by education and communities. We are saying DIE are there, and community in order to other cases. So other is immunization services against the following, against many of the diseases, just like the tuberculosis, polio, diphtheria, whooping cough, tetanus. So these are the immunization. So the prophylactic services against the anemia, vitamin D, vitamin A deficiency to the pregnant mother. So nursing mothers and IUD acceptors, children below 5 years of the age. So the curative services for diarrhea cases, with the ORS, some respiratory infections cases with the cotramazole. Contraceptive services are also given, like male sterilization operation, female sterilization operation, copper T insertion, oral pill distributions. So then some like Nirod distributions, indigenous of or traditional methods, natural methods. So MTP is like assisting abortion need and providing same by the early detection, assessing the need of for the expanding services by increasing the trained staff and registers the centers. So that is all about all about the topic. Thank you so much. If you have any query, just comment below.